Waiting until your system fails. If you're waiting to change your tires until they're completely bald, I have bad news for you. You need to plan better in life. Waiting to change your system out until it fails and has a critical failure is the worst thing that you can do, because being preemptive in your decision-making process gives you room, gives you time to make that decision and actually find who's the best company for me, what piece of equipment do I actually want, and what company do I actually want doing this. Be preemptive about it. If you know your system is hitting that 12, 13, 14 year mark, it's time to start thinking about it. It's gonna fail on the most inconvenient day when you don't have the time to deal with it, and you're gonna be left to choose a company who maybe you don't like, know, and trust.
Yo.